Human is the greatest asset of a company. Without human, company cannot generate itself. However, nowadays, human resources department can be ineffective, boring, and even bothering the employees. That leads to employees' disengagement, and that can affect the company's performance.
Lacking creativity in the training session can also be bad for the company. Like for the retaining employees, this training session can be disengaging for them.
Not only that, recruiting can also be costly, ineffective, and inaccurate. Even if the candidate came from a very far place, it might be hampering the recruitment process in a company.
Technology has been involved in many sectors of business, from financial, marketing, branding, and more. However, human resources apparently have the same needs of technology. HR mainly include three main things, from recruitment, development, as well as retaining. With the potential of technology, we can maximize the capability of a company in those activities. There are several ways to improve employees with the modern technology.
First, let's talk about retaining. Just like its name, it means to retain your employees or talents inside your company. In order to retain them, we need to make sure that they are comfortable inside our company.
Excuse me.
Yes, miss. What can I help you with?
I want to reimburse my bills from last year.
Okay. Let me check.
Okay, please wait a second.
Okay, you may fill out this form.
Okay.
Okay. Please wait a moment since I need to do some paperwork for others who want to click.
Okay. Here you go.
Okay, you can proceed with your reimbursement.
Finally. But how long will the money be ready for me to take?
Usually it will be around 3 days.
So, are you telling me now that it's not ready?
Yeah, because like a lot of other people, other departments who want to reimburse their expenses as well, so you might need to wait.
Okay. Have you ever felt pissed off when you're having trouble in reimbursing your expenses for the company, such as lateness and complicated processes? With the power of technology, reimbursing is no longer an obstacle.
Just register my reimbursement online, and in 3 days, the money will be sent directly online, and I do not need to go here twice and wait for each time.
Not only that, other things can also be used to retain the employees, such like appraisal. Appraisal might be a simple thing, but actually really important to the employees. If we can trace their performance, we can actually see how hard they are working, and also we can also see if they are slacking off. So with this, their hard work can be actually seen by the company. The employees will be known about the productivity of the employee.
This graph shows productivity done by a single employee based on the monthly workload, including the non-regular achievement works. If you are wondering what the indicators are, it can be based on daily tasks, target achieved, and achievements. With that, employee can give more accurate of rewards and warnings. As people said, data cures all.
This data can be used to provide employers accurate appraisals for employees. Appraisals is very important for employees because it shows employees that they are not working for nothing. So not only seeing which employees actually work hard, but also can identify employees that are being that way. Data not only can be used for retaining employees and finding which one which performs the best, but also for developing the employees. Developing employees is very important because as your employees grow, so does your company. So that's why technology has to be used in developing employees in the future.
Developing is not less important than training. It can help the company to outperform the competitors. However, training can be sometimes boring and ineffective, such as the girl over here.
So, this is the end of our session, and I hope you guys learned something from today's material.
The traditional training can be a boring session with an extra effort after working all day long. It can be associated more with technology, which makes it more interesting and memorable. What about integrating it with more interactions and online platforms? Training can be in the form of game, which allows employers to see how far the employees understand about what they work.
Alright, ready, set, go!
Not only is it interesting and engaging, it provides engagement, and also we can see which employee has the lowest knowledge or the lowest motivation at work. The gamification method is not only applied in training sessions only. Right now, it can be used for doing recruitment, the last point of the three major things in the HR department.
Right. Big companies such as Nestle has implemented gamification method in order to filter the applicants. Imagine how stressful it will be for the HR if there are tons of applicants at the same time in a company.
My god, this is so stressful. How come there are a lot of applicants? I cannot just sort this out.
See, it is stressful. However, like Nestle, a company should use gamification when they are overwhelmed with overwhelming applicants. Not only easier to sort out, it provides ease for applicants from different areas, whereas they do not need to fly or drive away from where they live to the company's office for the test or interview.
Now, at least I can find which one is more qualified with the filtered result.
Another type of technology that can be applied for recruitment will be facial recognition, since facial recognition will be needed in the future. There are two ways to apply facial recognition in the HR department.
First, can be part of an employee engaging by ease the check-in process in the office where touchless is more favorable right now. This technology has been adopted by some gadgets already.
Second, as a method of facial recognition that can be developed into a future HR system, can be also the recruitment tool.
He mentioned that he is active in church, organizations, and did a lot of charities. But look at him. He is not even confident with all the things he said.
Facial recognition's capability is very broad, not only detecting face, but also can detect lies. So, if it's pursued deeper, it will surely help company to filter applicants with more accuracy.
Yes, in HR, it is not only used for administrative jobs such as reimbursement, schedules, training, or surveys, but it can also be used to hunt talents.
As business people, we cannot be rash and think that technology is the sole savior of our company. It's very important when the timing is perfect.
Of course, adopting technology isn't cheap. As people say, price comes with quality. Technology can become a breakthrough for the company, but can also bring a downfall to the company.
It is better to adapt HR technology when the company has grown big. Maybe with a company with the size of 100 employees, the impact will be felt in the company.
But if your company is small, perhaps you won't see the changes that are significant. Moreover, small companies such as startups are usually low in cash, which squeeze the company's fund even more.
It's true that a company will be better if they're using technology. However, again, it depends on the time and the condition of the company itself. Yes, so as we have discussed today, technology is important, but the priorities of the company comes first. We cannot rush the growth of a company, especially small companies such as startups.